Hi everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today with another DIY to share with you guys. And I will be doing some desk organization. Yeah, some little things to help make my desk by the company look a little bit more cute. So let me get into the items that we'll be using today. Okay, I have this square box here that I got a while back from Dollarama. And I got this little pen organizer here. And I have this here from Dollar Tree. And I have this here also. I think I got these two silver pieces from Dollarama. And then we have the candle holders from Dollar Tree. We have some bling wrap here from Dollarama. And I might be using this, some little pearls, I'm not sure. And we have our gems, which these sizes here you can get from Michael's or Walmart. And I got this rose gold spray paint, you guys. I'm not sure how much rose gold it is, but when I spray it, I'll see it. I like this rose gold here. I'm not sure if it's going to be the same color. And we have our scissors and our glue gun. All right, everyone, let's get started. All right, we spray painted our box with the rose gold paint. It looks okay. And I'm going to use this bling wrap to just put around the sides and decorate our box. If you need advice, girl, don't take this, take mine. I'll admit, all the money that came and changed it all up. But now, ain't nothing gonna come and change all up. And now we have our pen organizer. I'm just going to add these little small gems here, going all the way around, just to bling it out. And now I'm going to add some more bling going all the way around the bottom. Nowadays my life's like a hurricane, ran through a hurricane. When I had you, I would say okay. I need you. And now for a little paper file holder. I'm just going to bling it right around the outside with the small gems, like I did with the pen organizer. Beside me, yeah, you beside me. And now I'm also going to add the bling going around the bottom of this container also. Now we're going to add some strips to bling out. I'm using this as a notepad holder. I know it's a little picture frame thing, but you can use it and decorate it for anything you want. And I'll be using it to hold my notes. Yeah. Choosing material things over you. Come here, young girl, please, please. I'm a new, baby, don't worry, nobody's tempting me unless it's you now. I'll pick you up, I gotta see who knows. Baby, I know that me and you should be together. Alright, everyone, now I'm gonna add 2 candle holders to the bottom of my box that we have here. So I'm just going to add the glue and glue them down. And here's our finished look, you guys. I think they look very cute. Cute little desk organizers. I blinged them out with the rose gold spray paint and the little bling wrap and gemstones. I think they look very nice. And I elevated the pen and pencil holder also with a candlestick, as you can see. And this little box here also. Very nice. I think they turned out very nice. Girl, I would with you like all day. Now
much different frame of mind. Switch it up. If you need advice, girl, don't take this, take mine. Take my girl. I'll admit, all the money that came in changed it all up. But now, ain't nothing gonna come and change.
And here's how they look on my desk, you guys. Super cute. I think I'm a little bit more organized now. Yeah. I love how the pencil holder turned out. The pen and pencil holder looks very nice. And my magazine, well, my file holder there. You know, I think everything looks so cute. And see, I have my notepad right there. And I have my stuff in my little storage box. I think it turned out very nice. I like them. Very nice. The only thing I'm a little off with is the rose gold. I wanted it to be more pinkish rose gold. But you know what? I'm going to be on the hunt looking for the rose gold spray paint that I really want. Hope I can find it. They didn't have it at my Walmart. The one I bought is what they had at my Walmart. So I'm going to keep checking until I find the rose gold that I'm looking for. Alright, you guys. Thank you so much for coming on and seeing the DIY that I did for today. And I hope I've inspired you once again with a cute little organizing tips. Alright, everyone. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, so you can come back and see more of the DIYs that I come up with to share with you guys. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless. Bye-bye, everyone.
Just for your attention, I work hard for it. For you to call me up right now, girl, I recover. And I realize that